Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the document and launching Word's proofing. Save your file, then press F7 or click Review right arrow spelling and grammar to open the editor. This begins an automated scan that flags spelling, grammar, and contextual issues. It's faster than manual reading. Once the editor appears, make sure Track Changes is off if you want clean edits, or on if you need revision history. You'll see the first suggestion highlighted with options to ignore, change, or add to dictionary. Choose deliberately. You now move through flagged items methodically. For each suggestion, use change to accept, ignore to skip this instance, or ignore all to skip repeats. Right-click gives quick alternate words and synonyms so you control tone. Once done with a section, click Recheck Document to rerun checks after edits. Make sure language is correct. Go to File Right Arrow Options Right Arrow Proofing to set the default proofing language and to add custom dictionaries. This reduces false positives and speeds future checks. Finish by accepting or rejecting edits so the document reads naturally. Use Accept All in the review pane only when confident. Save a final copy and, to avoid repeated flags, add specialized terms to your custom dictionary via proofing options. If the spell checker stalls or misses words, restart Word first. Next, check that the proofing language isn't set to the wrong variant and clear corrupted custom dictionary entries if needed. These steps ensure consistent, reliable spell checking across documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.